What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So if you were on my live the other day, you seen all the stuff that we poured and what we're doing with all this stuff. So today I am putting the vinyl on the coasters, the little Hello Kitty bowls. I still have to put a top layer, you know, to seal them in. But I mean, look at these colors, y'all. Look at that. If I could turn it. Look at the shimmer and shine in those purples. Oh, so look how shiny it is without the top layer. Like, you can see the ceiling fan right there. So I'm going to continue to put this vinyl on here, and step by step I'm going to show you guys how it's going to go. Alright guys, part 2. So if you've seen from the beginning, from the live to the earlier parts of this video, you see where we're at. I put the final layers of clear on the coaster set. The bottom of the coaster holder is purple glitter. I did a silvery white backing on the teal and fuchsia snowflakes. And then this is the tray. I just poured all of this and I put the handles in. So I think it turned out great. I think I want to do some. I can't touch it because it's literally, I just poured it. So we're going to see. I still have to pop out the dream catcher, see how that goes. I hope she really likes it. I was going to put the Hello Kitty on there, but I feel like it was just too much. So she'll have a little coaster set that matches her tray. And I can't wait to see how these turn out too. So I'm going to stop this, and tomorrow when this is all ready to pop out, I will show you guys. Alright, so it has been many days later. I've had to splice this video together because you guys know it takes time to make all this stuff. So right now, it's not a long, super long video. We are going to look at the tray I did and the coaster set. We are going to demold the snowflakes that I did the other day with the teal and fuchsia glitter with the white backing. And sure, why not? We'll pop out some palm trees. Alright, so this is a gift that I'm making for somebody. This is the coaster set. Isn't it adorable? I think it's absolutely beautiful. Here's the coasters. I think they turned out amazing. Look at that. Look at the shine on those, man. I tell you what, that's what I like about the epoxy. So it's a 4 coaster set. And then your coaster holder. It's kind of just a little different here and there. I think it is adorable. I think it's really pretty. It's her colors that she likes. I mean, look at that. Look at that. So you can see my pool ladder reflecting on it. That's how shiny this is. Y'all know I don't be messing around. I take pride in my work, even though I'm my own worst critic. So there's the coaster set. I think it's adorable. And here is the tray. I'm going to have to pick y'all up. Move y'all over here. So here's the tray. The purple sparkle handles. I didn't put the Hello Kitty on the tray because I just felt like it was too much. And the backing is an iridescent purple. I think it turned out, it's heavy. I mean, it's thick, it's heavy. I think it is freaking adorable. And them colors are so freaking pretty. Let's see if I can zoom in here and not drop y'all because I'm using my old school tripod thing. It was just a lot easier. So let me zoom in here for a second. Let's see, so you guys can see those colors. Look at them colors in there. Absolutely beautiful. I really hope she likes it. I think it turned out great. And there you go. However she wants to use it, however she wants to put it, I hope she really, really likes it. Alright, so I'm going to set that there for now. Alright, we are going to demold the snowflakes real quick. Like I said, it's not going to be a real long video. If you guys remember, I had a bunch of leftover from the dream catcher I did, which the dream catchers all popped out. I just went to Michael's today, actually, and got different strings and I wanted to tie them together with. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. It is so pretty. Look at that. With the teal and the silver white backing. Now, these are Christmas ornaments. Or whatever you want to use them for, I should say. Very pretty. So there's one of the teal ones. Each one is going to be a little different. Here's a fuchsia white one. the other fuchsia one. Yeah, I hate wasting materials, so if I have a mold or something to just pour it in, I do it, you know? This is pretty. So if you notice, one fuchsia one has a little more fuchsia than white, and then one doesn't. I will turn it in the light so you guys can see. I mean, these are absolutely freaking beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Now, these are available for someone. Someone's interested in them. They are available for a $25 channel donation to Cash App, or you can send me an email. You get you get 2 fuchsia, and then you'll get the 2 teal ones too. And I pay for shipping. I don't charge you guys for shipping. It would cost a lot less, but I don't mind paying for shipping. Oh, look at that. All right, now I'm gonna turn it. Good thing I got big hands, y'all. Those are so freaking pretty. All right, so there's the snowflakes. They didn't turn out too bad. Not too bad at all. So this set is available. If anybody's interested in it, you can shoot me an email at princessscratcher@yahoo.com. So I'm going to set these this way for now because I still want them to set. I like them to set for some days, you know? They're very pretty. They turned out absolutely gorgeous. All right. So real quick, we will zoom back out here. Pop out some of these palm tree things. Now remember, these aren't going to be shiny on the other side. So I have to take them out and spray them. Well, first I'll color in my coconuts. Look at these purple ones. They're cool. So I will color in the coconuts, and then I'll take them out and spray them. We have a variety of colors here, y'all. Like this one is blue, white, and all kinds of stuff going on. Oh, look at that one. That one's kind of cool. Got a lot of them. But they're a big hit. Everybody likes them. My family, my friends, my other channel. This one's kind of weird. But I just, whatever I have left over that I'm pouring, that's what gets put in there. Alright, so there's one whole tray. If I can get this one out. Alright, so I got, like I said, color in all the coconuts. Now, this one we did all left over fuchsia and pink. Or pink. I could talk fuchsia or teal. They're going to look so pretty once I clear them. Can't really see the glitter like that. Look at that. Oh, I dropped it. You guys are so amazing. I appreciate all the love and support. If you're new here and you like what you see, oops, sorry y'all. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your little notification bells, because we be doing all kinds of little weird crafts on here, and I go live a lot because I feel like I like chatting with you guys. I absolutely think it's amazing to hang out with you guys. I do. I appreciate all the love and support. Now, I poured these the other day, but they still have to get some more for the trunk. So that's what we got. I have some more palm trees. Like I said, I have to color in the coconut, and then I'll go outside and clear them. So I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. If someone is interested in this set of snowflakes, shoot me an email. I hope she loves her tray and the coaster holder. Until next time, you guys, you know what to do. Go and smash that like button. Share me out. Do what you do. I appreciate you guys. Take care and have a great rest of your week.